Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks and projects swirling around your workspace? Or maybe you've struggled to keep track of deadlines and dependencies. If so, then you're not alone. Today, we're diving into Wrike, a popular project management tool that promises to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. But is it really all it's cracked up to be? Let's find out. Personal anecdote. Remember that time I was juggling multiple projects for work, and my to-do list seemed to grow exponentially every day? I felt like I was drowning in a sea of tasks, and I knew something had to change. That's when I stumbled upon Wrike. Audience connection. I'm guessing many of you can relate. The demands of modern work can be overwhelming, and having a reliable project management tool can make all the difference. So, let's explore whether Wrike is the solution you've been searching for. Wrike overview. What is Wrike? Wrike is a cloud-based project management platform designed to help teams collaborate effectively and stay organized. It offers a range of features, including task management, time tracking, resource planning, and reporting. Key features: task management. Create, assign, and prioritize tasks, set due dates, and track progress. Collaboration. Share files, comment on tasks, and collaborate with team members in real time. Time tracking. Monitor time spent on tasks and projects to improve efficiency. Resource planning. Allocate resources effectively and avoid bottlenecks. Reporting. Generate customizable reports to track project performance and identify areas for improvement. Wrike in action. Demo. Let's take a closer look at how Wrike works. I'll show you how to create a project, assign tasks to team members, and set deadlines. We'll also explore some of the collaboration features, such as commenting and file sharing. Visuals. Use screen recordings or screenshots to illustrate the Wrike interface and demonstrate key features. Pros and cons. Pros. Intuitive interface. Wrike is easy to learn and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Customization. You can customize Wrike to fit your team's specific needs and workflows. Integration. Wrike integrates with other popular tools, such as Google Drive and Slack. Mobile app. Access Wrike on the go with the mobile app. Cons. Pricing. Wrike can be expensive for larger teams. Steep learning curve. While the interface is generally user-friendly, there may be a learning curve for advanced features. Limited Gantt chart functionality. Wrike's Gantt chart features are not as robust as some other project management tools. Is Wrike right for you? Consider your needs. Before making a decision, consider your team's specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a flexible and collaborative project management tool, Wrike may be a good fit. However, if you require advanced Gantt chart functionality or are on a tight budget, other options may be more suitable. Alternatives. Briefly mention some popular alternatives to Wrike, such as Asana, Trello, and Basecamp. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, including Wrike's key features, pros, and cons. Encourage viewers to try Wrike for themselves and share their experiences in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.